Welcome to Stories Behind a Home, the podcast about the real journeys, decisions, and lessons behind the spaces we call home. I'm Arvinder Kaur, and today I have a really special guest, Supriya Kamath. She's a Bangalore based architect who has worked with homeowners across the city, helping them create spaces that don't just look beautiful on day one, but stay that way for decades. In a world where most home interiors are replaced within 5 to 7 years, damaged by moisture, termites, or simply wear and tear, Supriya thinks differently. She asks a question that most of us should be asking when we build our homes: will this last? Because a home that's durable isn't just practical, it's sustainable. You're not ripping out and replacing materials every few years. You're not contributing to waste, and you're not compromising on hygiene in the spaces where your family cooks, sleeps, and lives every single day. These are the conversations Supriya has with her clients, and today she's going to have that conversation with us. Supriya, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Arvinder, and very excited to be here and look forward to sharing some interesting stories with you about our homeowners over the years.
Great. So, to start with, Supriya, after designing so many homes, what do you think that homeowners truly want?
So this answer never really changes for me. If you ask me, I always say this that हर घर कुछ कहता है कि इसमें कौन रहता है. Every house is a personality of the people who live in the house. Everyone, including us, wants
True.
peace of mind in the house that we live in. A house that works beautifully for us, and a house that doesn't come back with problems or doesn't create issues over the years, and that's what a homeowner asks for.
Yeah, that's such an important point. Many people focus on colors, finishes, and trends, but very few think about how their home will perform 10 years later.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's about, if you ask me, it's about how a good design works. It's not about how it feels like or looks like. It's about how it works for you in practicality.
Right. So, Supriya, do you remember the first project where you recommended Beth Living?
Absolutely. I mean, it was a couple of years ago when this couple came to us and they were building their dream home, and they had put in their life savings in it, and they wanted something which really, really works for them in all ways, which is aesthetically and durability wise and practicality wise. So every decision mattered a lot, and that's when we started thinking, and we came across Beth Living. Um, and the good thing, or rather the best thing about Beth Living was it was not only about the maintenance part of it, but it was also about the longevity that that came with Beth Living, and that's what worked for us.
Yeah, yeah. And what happened after the project was completed?
So after the project was completed, a couple of years later, they called me. They invited me to their house, and the kitchen looked just fantastic, just the way we had left it when we did it last. And what they said then stayed with me. They said that this was one part of the house they never had to worry about, or they never had a concern about. So that was, one of the best comments I heard.
Yeah, so I think that's something which I often hear as well. Most customers, I think the look of the product, the look and feel of the product does not change for a long, long time.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So that was your first project. Can you share another memorable story, Supriya? Because I
So
think we've been
another
working for some
memorable
time.
story, which I very well remember, is about this young couple who are, very busy professionals. They came to us saying that uh, they have a lot of guests coming to their house. They wanted to do up their kitchen very well because they keep inviting people over all the time. Um, initially I remember that they were very particular about the aesthetics alone, but over the days and weeks when we had conversation again and again over this, we also said that it's not only the aesthetics, it's also about the durability and the way it functions, that that matters the most. And that's when we eventually chose Beth Living, and I think that was one of the wisest decisions we did.
That's a powerful observation. The best home investment is often the one that you never have to think about again, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah. So, architects build trust with clients over the years. What makes you confident enough to recommend a particular solution to a customer repeatedly, Supriya?
So for me, three things are very important.
Hmm.
At work, one is the consistency. Second is the quality.
Right.
And third, most important is the customer experience. Like this couple, they I met them a couple of years later, and I still remember what they told us. They said that while most of our friends are still, they're dealing with small little repairs at home, we are simply enjoying ours. So that says a lot about what has gone inside the house.
Fabulous. For someone planning a new home today, what advice would you give, Supriya?
For someone planning a new home, I always say do not look at short term goals. Look at something which is long term. Make wise decisions. Do not go by only the monetary bit of it. I understand it's important, but what's more important is something which is going to stay with you forever. So make a smart decision which is going to save you a lot of inconvenience later.
Right. Okay, that's a wonderful advice, Supriya. I Okay, moving on. I think let me throw up some quick rapid fire questions
Sure.
yeah. So one word that describes your design philosophy.
We always follow this philosophy by a famous architect. It says less is more.
Ah, lovely. Most important room in a home?
Kitchen
One thing homeowners should never compromise on?
quality.
Yeah, of course. What turns a house into a home?
Like I said in the beginning, हर घर कुछ कहता है कि इसमें कौन रहता है. The memories that are created inside it.
Absolutely. So that's beautifully said. Thank you, Supriya, for joining us today and sharing your experiences.
Pleasure, pleasure is always mine, Arvinda. Thank you so much.
And thank you to our listeners. If today's conversation reminded us of one thing, it's this: great homes are not built by chance, they are built through thoughtful decisions, trusted expertise, and choices that continue delivering long term value after the project is complete. This is Arvinder Kaur signing off from Stories Behind a Home. Until next time, keep creating spaces that tell your story. Thank you.